ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 203. टीका last sentence we saw, second line. मा भूत प्रत्यक्षम आगमिकम पारिभाषिकम वा आत्मनः संसारित्वम. Let it not be what Atma samsaritvam means. Atma is not samsari. According to what? Pratyaksha pramana, agama pramana, and paribhashika pramana. Pratyaksha pramana means my anubhava. You have proved that guna and guni, they both should be ekajnanagamya, but Atma and Dukkham are not. So that way it is refuted. Agama says Atma is asamsari, and paribhashikam means this Bauddha Nyaya Darshana. According to them, actually here only Bauddha is given. Vijnanavadi paribhasha siddham. Atmanaha samsaritvam mabhut. Anumanikam tu bhavishyati. They say, but anumanam can be there. What is the anumanam? Dukkhadi kvachid ashritam gunatvat rupadivat iti ashraye siddhe parisheshat atmanas tadashrayatvat iti ashanka aha. Anumanam is possible. Through anumanam we can say Atma can be samsari. What will be there in Atma? Samsaritvam, dukkhadi. How? See the anumanam, we have already seen this in the previous session. Instead of ichhadi, here it is dukkhadi. Dukkhadi kvachid ashritam. They are guna. Guna has to be ashrita somewhere, in some dravya. Why? Because gunatvat rupadivat iti ashraya siddhe parisheshat. Parishesha anumanam, because Prithvivyadi Ashtadravya cannot be the ashraya of Dukkhadi. Prithvi doesn't have Dukkha, Akasha, Jala, Vayu, Teja, etc. So who can have Dukkha? Atma. Therefore, Atma alone is Dukhi. Parisheshat. Parisheshat. What is Parishesha? That niyama, if you want, you write down. Pratyaksha Pratishedhe. प्रत्यक्ष प्रतिषेधे अन्यत्र अप्रसंगात् शिष्यमाणे संप्रत्ययः. शिष्यमाणे संप्रत्ययः. प्रत्यक्ष प्रतिषेधे अन्यत्र अप्रसंगात् शिष्यमाणे संप्रत्ययः. What it means is, through pratyaksha some pratishedha is done, that no, here it is not possible, there it is not possible, there it is not possible. So anyatra aprasangat. Anyatra means other than there where that parishesha is going to be. Anyatra aprasangat, then whatever remains, only there it will be. Like, to give drishtanta, lot of laddus were created, let us say, on Ganesh Chaturthi. Means those who create, otherwise, yes, roti, dal, chawal is also good. But let us say a lot of laddus were there. So many, and then in the morning, nothing was remaining. So now, can Yudhishthir finish everything? Can Arjuna finish everything? Can Sahdeva or Nakul finish everything? Answer is no. Because they all were, Pratyaksha means somewhere they were available. So Parishesha Nyaya will be Parisheshad him only, that he is capable and he was absent. When we all were sleeping, somebody was not there. Parishesha. So this is, so now you, what is the meaning exact? Pratyaksha Pratishedha. Anyatra Prasangat. In the others, it is not possible. Shishyamana is Bhima. Shishyamane Sampratyaha. Like that here, Dukkhitva cannot be in other Jada Vastu. So it will be there in Atma. Atma is also Jada for them, but Atma can have Dukkhitva. Other Vastu cannot have. Samyak Pratyaya means the Vichara will rest there only. Sampratyaya means it will, that is the only possible thing in my buddhi now. All other options in my buddhi, all vikalpas are eliminated in Bhashya. Pratyaksha Anumana Vishayoscha, first line. Pratyaksha Anumana Vishayoscha Dukhatmanor Guna Gunitve Nanumanam. Pratyaksha Anumana Vishayoho Dukhatmanoho. Dukkha is Pratyaksha Vishaya. Atma is Anumana Vishaya. Guna Gunitve Na Anumanam. So there you cannot do Anumanam. Siddhant is telling that you want to do Anumanam, but in Anumanam, one is Pratyaksha Vishaya, another is Anumana Vishaya. In their Guna Gunitve Nanumanam. Let's see Tippani 1. Vibhinna Jnana Vishayoho Tathatva Asambhavat iti bhav. Because they are gathered through different jnanam. You say, you also say Parvato Vandiman Umad. But in that Parvata is Pratyaksha, Vanni is Anumita. So it is similar. Parvato Vandiman when we do Anuman. So there the Anumiti is about Vanni, which is not Pratyaksha at that time. Here, Atma is going to be always a Pratyaksha. This is the difference. Means Vanni in Mahanasa can become Pratyaksha, but Atma will never become Pratyaksha. Tika Akar explains a little. Nahi mitho viruddhayoho guna gunitvam anumeyam dukkadesha साभास बुद्धिस सत्वात् पारिशेष्य असिद्धिर इत्यर्थः. मिथो विरुद्धयोः गुण गुणित्वं न अनुमेयम्. Those which are paraspar viruddha, between them you cannot do anumanam and do their guna gunitva siddhi. They are mutually opposite to each other. Means Atma and Dukkham cannot stay together. This is what he wants. Paraspar Viruddha means in this way. Atma cannot have Dukkham. It is like saying Jala is the ashraya of prakasha. Jala is dravya, let us say, and prakasha guna or teja. They both, jala and prakasha, they both will not work together. Or andhakara, if you want to show more virodha, if there is a dravya called tamaha and its guna is prakasha, so they are paraspar viruddha. So between them, guna gunitvam, you cannot do such anumana. And you said parishesha atma alone will have dukkha as the ashraya. Dukkha's ashraya will be atma. This is not true. Why? Dukkadesha sabhasa buddhisthatvat. Dukkhadi can be in buddhi, which is sabhasa buddhi, means along with chidabhasa. There it can be there. Why it has to be only in atma? So parishesha asiddhir ityartha. साभासांतकरण निष्ठम दुखादि इति अत्र प्रमाण भावात्. पूर्व पक्षी विलास साभासांतकरण निष्ठम दुखादि, in that there is no प्रमाण. कथम सिद्ध साधनत्वम इति आशंक्य. How do you say this siddha sadhanam? Siddha sadhanam means they have not given siddha sadhanam, but in this way. That anumanam is there. Dukkhadi kvachid ashritam gunatvad rupadivat. Siddhanti will say siddha sadhana. Dukkhadi are ashrita samve. Yes, we agree. Purvakshi says ashrita in atma because nowhere else it can be. Siddhanti will say no, in sabhasa buddhi, and that we agree. Why you have to do anumana? This is siddha sadhana. Everybody understood?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. Siddha sadhanatvam iti ashankya. Now what is the pramanam? You tell. One pramanam is given here. Dukhi aham ityadi pratyakshasya tatra pramanatvat. Uktanumanasya siddha sadhyataya parishesha siddhirityaha. Dukhi aham. This is pratyaksha. Purvapakshi will say this is the pramanam. प्रत्यक्षस्य तत्र प्रमाणत्वात् उक्तानुमानस्य सिद्ध्य साध्यतया परिशेष असिद्धिः. सिद्ध साध्य means क्वचिद आश्रितत्वम is accepted. So परिशेष असिद्धिः. What is the pramanam which proves dukkhadi are in buddhi? See, pratyaksha is what? Aham dukhi. Right? How do you say buddhi is dukhi? So here first you see Tippanikar, what he has given. 7 number Tippani. Sabhasa buddhereva aham arthatvat. But this is not as convincing.
I mean, when I am sleeping, when buddhi is not there, dukkha is not there.
But aham dukhi anubhava is also not there. You have to prove aham dukhi anubhava is in buddhi. In sushupti, buddhi is not there. Aham dukhi anubhava is also not there.
Aham is also not there for me.
Huh?
In sushupti, aham is also not there.
So what you are saying is, in sushupti, aham notion is not there, aham pratyaya is not there, and in sushupti, buddhi is also not there. But atma is there, and atma doesn't have dukkham. This yukti you can give. Atma does not have dukkham. Aham pratyaya is not there in buddhi, in sushupti. Buddhi is also not there. In Jagrat, Atma is there, Buddhi is there, Aham Pratyaya is there, Dukkham is there. So this is one yukti. You will have to use Shruti as Mukhya Pramanam.
Swamiji, one more yukti. Can we try like Atma is always there, but my Dukkham comes and goes. So if the Dukkham is in Atma, then I will always be a Dukhi. Whereas Buddhi keeps changing, Anitya. Therefore, Dukkham also changes.
What
So-
keeps changing? Buddhi.
Buddhi. So, Antakarana, vrittis keep on changing, which Anitya. Therefore, Dukkham is also Anitya. Therefore, Dukkham can belong only to Antakarana and not Atma.
No, the question is, Sabhas, 7 number tippani you see. Sabhas buddhi is aham artha. That you have to prove. When I say aham, am I referring to Sabhas buddhi or not? So samanyataya we say aham means
Sava.
samanyataya. But that samanya thing is ajnanam. The vastavikta is aham should refer to, for a jnani, aham should refer to Atma. And for ajnani, aham is Sabhasa buddhi. Like in Panchadashi, jnani has 2 ahams, 7th chapter. Ajnani, only one aham, aham sukhi, aham dukhi. Jnani, one shastriya aham, which is Atma. One adhyasa, badhita, he'll say aham gacchami, aham tishtami, ityadi, ityadi. So both meanings, jnani understands, ajnani does not understand. So ajnani takes sabhasa buddhi as aham artha in this way. What is Shruti Pramana? Hmm? Na lipyate loka dukhyana bahya. Kathopanishad. So Atma doesn't have dukkha. Asanga, Atma is asanga. But how will you prove dukkha is in sabhasa buddhi? You can prove Atma doesn't have dukkha. So you can use this kama sankalpa vichikitsa, shraddha, ashraddha, dhriti, adhriti, hrihi, dhihi, vihi, iti etat sarvam mana eva. All this is mind. Means this is not nothing to do with Atma. All of these vrittis are manovrittis, one. But there is another much better example,
This is Shruti
commonly
Pramana.
known in Bhagavad Gita, and that is Prajahati yada kaman sarvan partha manogatan.
Atman.
No, I don't want shloka. I already told the answer. Manogatan kaman. All the desires are in mind. Why desires? Ichha. Ichha means all these Ichha, Dvesha, Sukha, Dukha, etc. They all belong to mind. Like how in Kathopanishad, Yada sarve pramuchyante kama yasya hridi shrita. Hridi shrita kama. So it exactly tells where all these things are. Tatra तत्र प्रमाणत्वाद उक्तानुमानस्य सिद्ध्य साध्यतया परिशेषा सिद्धिः इत्याह. In भाष्य दुःखस्य नित्यमेव प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्वात्. रूपादि सामानाधिकरण्याच्च दुःख इज नित्य प्रत्यक्ष दुःखस्य नित्यमेव प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्वात् रूपादि सामानाधिकरण्याच्च रूपादि सामानाधिकरण्यम see dukkha is always pratyaksha. Pratyaksha means I don't have to do anumanam. I must be dukhi. Why? Because tears are rolling down the eyes or something. You don't do anumanam. Dukkha is nitya pratyaksha. If it is there, it is pratyaksha. Vishatvat rupadi samanadhikaranyaccha and rupadi and dukkha have samana adhikarana. Samanadhikarana means there where rupam is, there alone dukkham is. So Atma doesn't have rupam, Atma doesn't have dukkham also. And Chakara is there, for that it is said they are drishya also, Vedyatva. Rupa also has Vedyatva, Dukkha also has Vedyatva. Vedyatva means they become known. Because they become known, therefore they are not the dharma of drashta. टीका यत्र रूपादिमति देहे दाह छेदादि छेदा ही नहीं छेदादि दृष्टम तत्रैव तत्कृत दुःखादि उपलम्भात् न आत्मनस् तद्वत्वम् इति हेत्वन्तरम् आह यत्र रूपादिमति देहे that deha which is रूपादिमान रूपादिमति देहे means सप्तमी रूपादिमान देह तस्मिन् रूपादिमति देहे दाह छेदादि in the body if there is daha or cheda cut etc drishtam it is seen tatraiva tatkrita dukkhadi upalambhat there alone tatkrita means dehakrita dukkhadi upalabdhi is there na atmanah so dukkha is also right there where rupa is. So he here gives in deha, but deha, okay, buddhi also has rupa.
From Buddhi Rupa.
Buddhi also has rupa. Buddhi's rupa means buddhi keeps becoming vishayakara and by itself when I say I am shanta vritti rahita that is its rupa. Rupa means that is its swarupa. Some guna you have to give for that. Tika. यत्तु आत्ममनः संयोगात् आत्मनि बुद्ध्यादयो नव वैशेषिका गुणा भवन्ति इति तद्दूषयति. Because of आत्ममन संयोग, now this is वैशेषिक दर्शन. वैशेषिका विशेष शब्द is there in विशेष ठक प्रत्यय if you do वैशेषिक. Atma Mana Sanyoga. When that Atma Mana Sanyoga comes, then the 9 gunas, Vishesha gunas are there in Atma, like Buddhi, Sukha, Dukkha, Ichha, etc. Says this Nyaya Vaisheshika. Bhavanti iti taddushayati. What are the 9 gunas? बुद्धि सुख दुख इच्छा द्वेष प्रयत्न धर्माधर्म संस्कार. इन भाष्य मन संयोगजत्वे अपि आत्मनि दुःखस्य सावयवत्व विक्रियावत्व अनित्यत्व प्रसंगात. If the dukkha is atma manas sanyoga janya, then something is happening in atma, some new thing is coming. Dukkha is not there all the time. It comes, it stays, then it goes. Then that atma will become savayava. It will have vikriya and it is anitya. Savayavatva, vikriyavatva, anityatva atmana. Dukkhasya you will have to say, if that dukkha is arising in atma, atma manas sanyoga, if that produces dukkham, manas sanyogaja dukkhasya, atma manas sanyogajatve dukkhasya, atmani savayavatva vikriyavatva. Tika दुःखस्य आत्मनि मन संयोगजत्वे अपि अभ्युपगते अपि मनोवत् आत्मनः संयोगित्वात् सावयवत्वादि प्रसंगात् आत्मत्वमेव न स्यात्. Atmatva means we say that which is eternal is Atma. If it is having sanyoga viyoga, if it is vikari, that Atma is subject to anityatva. Then Atmatva itself is not there now. Nothing is remaining. It loses its importance. Tatra संयोगित्वेन सक्रियत्वं साधयति. नहीं. So संयोगित्वेन सक्रियत्वं. If it is संयोग, it has संयोग वियोग, it will also have क्रिया, सक्रिय it will be. नहीं अविकृत्य संयोगी द्रव्यम गुणः क्वचित् उपयन् अपयन् वा दृष्टः क्वचित्. नहीं अविकृत्य संयोगी द्रव्यम. अविकृत्य means अविकारी. A dravya means a substance which is avikari also and sanyogi also. Avikritya sanyogi dravyam gunaha kaschit upayan apayan va. When there is upayat, upayat means where there is growth. Apayat means where there is decay. Vriddhi and kshaya. Simple words are vriddhi kshaya. If the guna increases, like weight, gurutva, deha is dravya and gurutvam is guna. If the gurutvam increases, means if the weight increases, then body is going to have vikara. It cannot remain avikari. And if the weight reduces, body also will have reduction. So it has to have vikara. Kvachit upayan apayan va. 4 number tippani should be on upayan, not on kvachit. Drishtaha kvachit. There was one shloka in Naishkarmya Siddhi, 2nd chapter, which I remember. Upayan apayan dharmo vikaroti hi dharminam. This is a nyaya, means it is yukti. Upayan apayan dharmo vikaroti hi dharminam. Swamiji, how many things we will write? Likho. Upayan apayan dharmo vikaroti hi dharminam. This should be there in 2nd chapter of Naishkarmya Siddhi, 2nd line. of the shloka. This is the second line. Around where, I don't remember. In 40s or 70s. Vikaroti hi dharminam. If dharma has upayan, upayat and apayat, means vriddhikshaya, dharmi will get affected. So therefore here it is said, nahi avikritya sanyogi dravyam gunaha kaschid upayan apayan va drishtaha kvachit. Means gunaha kaschid upayan apayan va द्रव्यम संयोगी द्रव्यम अविकृत्य न क्वचित दृष्टा. संयोगी द्रव्य will not remain अविकृत्य. टीका. संप्रति सक्रियत्वेन सावयवत्वं प्रतिपादयति. सक्रियत्वेन सावयवत्वं न च निरवयवं विक्रियमाणं दृष्टं क्वचित् अनित्य गुणाश्रयं वा नित्यम्. न च निरवयवं विक्रियमाणं दृष्टं क्वचित्. Niravaya vastu and vikari is not seen. Niravayavam vikriyamanam na kvachit drashtam. And anitya guna ashrayam va nityam na kvachit drashtam. Nitya vastu having becoming the ashraya of anitya guna is also not possible. Like you take a pushpam or ghataha, I am ghataha. The guna of, so ghata cannot be nitya and the rupadi are anitya. Ghata also will become anitya only. टीका. यद्वा दुखादि आत्मनो विक्रियेति कैश्चित् इष्टत्वात् तस्य सक्रियत्वम् अविरुद्धम् इति आशंका. दुखादि आत्मनो विक्रियेति. Dukhadi of Atma, if they are there, then it will bring Vikriya. Atmanaha Vikriyeti. Atmanaha Vikriya. Means in Atma, the Vikara is called Dukkham. Vikara is called Sukham. In this way, if this is Ishta for some, Kaischit Ishtatvat. Whenever they say Anya, Apare, Kaischit, means it is not Swamata, it is somebody else's mother. If somebody thinks like that, Tasya Sakriyatvam Aviruddham iti ashankya. Nacha Niravayavam. Kaischit they have given Bhatta mata. Kumaril Bhatta. Bhattaihi. Bhattaihi. How will you, what will be the Shabda Vyutpatti? Bhattasya ime bhattaha. Taihi bhattaihi. In this way. So Purva Pakshi will say Sakriyatvam Aviruddham. It can be Vikari, where Dukkha is Vikara of Atma itself. इति आशंक्याः न च सिद्धांत we already saw it is not possible. A vastu cannot be niravayav also and vikari also. Atma anumanam is given. Na parinami niravayavatvat na bhovat iti. Siddhanti will do this anumanam. Atma is not parinami. Why? It is nitya, like akasha. So this I had mentioned some time back in one of the sessions. So for drishtanta, atmanaha nityatvam, aparinamitvam, etc., akasha is the drishtanta. Not that we say actually Atma Akasha is Nitya. But like Bhagavan has said, Yatha Sarvagatam Saukshmyat Akasham Nopalipyate Sarvatra Avasthito Dehe Tathatma Nopalipyate in this way. So, for Drishtanta purpose, we can use Akasha as Aparinami. Where is Parinama in Akasha? Utpatti Nasha. Akasha itself has Utpatti. And Pralaya time, Akasha Nasha is there. That itself is Parinama in Akasha. And any Karya Utpatti. Kincha Atma na Guni Nityatvat Samanyavat. And Atma is not Guni. It doesn't have Guna. Why? Because it is Nitya. Like Samanya. Samanya means Satta. So in Siddhanta, Satta is only Brahma. In 12 number Tippani we have given. Siddhante Sattaiva Samanyam. Sacha Brahma eva. Siddhanta Satta means Brahma. But in their case, Samanya is there and it cannot have Guna. Anitya iti. Anitya Gunashrayam va Nityam. Nityam Pashyama iti Shesha. Nityam means actually it is not Nitya. See this Ghata. Is this Nitya? No. Right? But yesterday it was there. Today let us say I see it in this color, brown color. Yesterday it was black. Tomorrow it will be white. Let us say somebody paints this. In my buddhi, soyam ghataha. This is same pot. Only gunas have changed. So, even though ghata is also anitya, ghata is also subject to modification. But I don't think every day on day-to-day basis, this is anitya, this is vikari. I only think this is same ghata. If ghata has actually changed, you will never be able to think like this, that it is same ghata. Why? Because nothing is same. But that's why that Gunashrayam va Nityam, Tikakar said, Nityam Pashyama iti Shesh. We see it as, oh, it is same. But actually it is not. Pashyama iti Shesh. So, Anitya Gunashrayam va Nityam na drishtam. Iti Pashyama. This is how we see. See, Nitya Shabda, we think it is Nitya. Because for this, really there is no Drashtanta. Nitya Vastu is only Brahma. Right? But relatively on day-to-day basis, we say, oh, it's the same. Only same ground, trees are cut or trimmed. Or same tree, branches are cut. So, really speaking, it itself is not Nityam. But Nityam, whatever we think, that kind of Nityam also, it cannot be Anitya Gunashraya. Means whenever we see Anitya Guna Ashrita somewhere, that Vastu itself will become Anitya. Even if we think it is same, actually it is not. Va Shabdo Naya Anukarshanartha. That Va is for Nacha. ओके। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।